Liliput Lallu. Ee-la-ee-la-ee-la-loo. La-la-la-la-loo, Lallu.
Little baby rides a tricycle fast, wheels spinning, having a blast. Sunny morning, birds on wing, little feet go ping, 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 running round the garden gate. Laughing loud, can't wait, chasing butterflies soft and bright. Hands up high, everything's light. Jumping puddles, splashing feet, little giggles, playful beat. Climbing low branches, tiny climb, baby moves in happy rhyme. Oops, a tumble down you slide, tiny boo-boo on your side. Little me in tiny hand, baby cries, can't understand. Mommy running, come to me, holds you close so carefully. Kisses where it hurts the most, softly hums, you're not a ghost. Daddy lifts you off the ground, spins you slowly round and round. Laughing now, the tears are gone, little baby feels so strong. Grandma brings a basket near, sings a song you love to hear. Grandpa waves, it's okay, tomorrow brings another day. Brother shouts and claps along, sister joins with a happy song. Teddy bear jumps on the bed, snuggles close off little head. Doctor comes with careful hands, tiny boo-boo understands. You are brave, so don't you cry, little scratch will soon pass by. Children run along the trail, flying kites that catch the gale. Spin the wheel and toss the ball, laughing loudly through it all. Baby climbs a mini hill, careful steps, careful skill. Slides down slowly, joyful squeal. Happy heart, a spinning wheel. Oops, again a little slip, hands reach out for gentle grip. Mommy wipes a tiny tear, Daddy laughs, no need to fear. Grandma brings a yummy treat, Grandpa hums a little beat. Brother runs with little toys, sister jumps in bouncing joy. Little baby draws a line, colors bright, looking fine. Blocks stacked high, cars on track, little heart will never lack. Running past the garden gate, counting steps and chasing fate. Climbing trees and hiding low, learning everywhere to go. Baby pedals on the lane, windy hair, a tiny train. Careful turns, careful ride, flying fast with arms open wide. Oops, a tumble, bump and fall, little baby's tiny call. Mommy hugs and whispers near, don't you worry, love is here. Daddy spins you round again, little laughter fills the glen. Grandma claps and sings a song, Grandpa hums the tune along. Baby jumps and skips so high, touches leaves, waves goodbye. Brother cheers, sister dances free, Teddy hides behind the tree. Little baby paints the sun, blocks a tower, fun has begun. Spinning top, rolling ball, tiny hands will catch them all. Running fast across the yard, little legs working hard. Slide and swing, little heart is ready to sing. Oops, another tiny fall, nothing serious, that's all. Mommy lifts and kisses cheek, Teddy sits with little cheer. Baby smiles from ear to ear, doctor waves a tiny hand, little boo-boo will be grand. Evening comes with orange glow, sun sets slowly, the winds blow. Baby yawns, soft little sigh, time for cuddles, night is nigh. Mommy hums a gentle song, Daddy rocks the crib along. Grandma whispers, close your eyes, Grandpa smiles at starry skies. Brother yawns and stretches small, sister hugs and loves it all. Every hug and every kiss turns all pain to gentle bliss. Softly sleeping dreams begin. Love surrounds and peace within. Baby's heart beats calm and slow. Moonlight glows with silver glow. Little baby spins in dreams, flying kites and sparkling streams, climbing hills and running trails, laughing wind and flapping sails. Morning comes, a brand new day. Little baby laughs to play. Pedals fast and runs around, joyful giggles, happy sound. Mommy waves, daddy cheers, grandma claps, grandpa nears. Brother runs, sister spins, teddy cuddles, love begins. Little baby's heart is bright, learning, laughing with delight. Every boo-boo, small or large, family love will always charge.